The Jeep we're looking at today, the first one, it's 700 bucks. The guy said he would throw in not a pack of beer, but a beer if we go and pick it up.
Two beers.
I thought it was one beer.
He's giving us all four now.
I thought we were getting a case.
Oh no, it's like an 8 beer. But anyways, it's still free beer, you know?
We don't
ask him.
Free beer is better than no beer. Anyways, the same guy says we should tow it home, and we're not gonna do that.
We're gonna drive it.
Yeah, and it's only a 5-mile drive, but
So we need a 5-gallon bucket of water. We need fucking oil.
So
we need to bring everything.
It runs supposedly.
Supposedly.
You just can't stop.
What?
no, the brake booster.
You can't stop, so how the fuck are you gonna come to a red light?
You can pump the
It's like the buggy.
There's an e-brake.
Alright, where's this Jeep at? On the right? There it is.
We found the Jeep, boys.
Oh yeah, that thing looks great.
I'm down as fuck.
Let's see, we're here.
Oh, dude, this has a Kuna written all over it. It comes with 2 spare tires?
Hey, look.
You're gonna drive the Corolla home, right?
Yo, look, a back glass.
Fuck you.
That's $500.
Bro, this thing's pretty nice.
What year is this?
I have no idea.
88.
Bro, it comes with leaves.
Does it
We
still
can
steer,
JB
though?
weld it.
Does it still steer though? Oh, yeah, it still works.
Alright, yep.
So what broke?
It's getting home.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh, sorry.
There's no
How you doing, boss?
There's none in it right now? Cool. Yeah, fuck it.
There used to be. No, there's brake fluid in it. Look at all this shit that's back there. Look at the fuck that.
Just use your hand and scoot some over and
Yeah,
you go.
it's fucking fine.
So when's the last time you drove this?
Yesterday.
Better than 10 years ago. Alright, that's cool.
Yeah.
How far did you take it?
I drove it, I don't know, 4 or 5 miles. I drove it down to the car wash.
Notice the steering wheel cut.
Oh, it's fucked. Yeah. I mean, none of it's good, so.
Yeah, no, for sure.
I mean, the battery's a nice new used battery, so that's good.
New used battery, I like that.
Fuck yeah.
Will you finance it?
Yeah, sure. One payment of $700.
I like this guy.
Done.
How long have you had it?
I bought it last year, probably about this time. I bought it from a guy that I work with, buddy.
Okay.
With the, thought of, hey, I'm gonna turn it into a rock crawler, and then I bought this house and went, oh shit, I gotta remodel this house, and I don't have time to do it.
Suspension.
There is oil in it.
Up the hydraulic
Is there
on
oil?
it.
Yeah.
And then the cage works again.
How'd you start it up?
What do you mean? You know how to start a car? Or you get out of driver's seat?
Well, I see 2 knobs here. I'm kind of overwhelmed.
Underneath it.
Huh?
Just turn it.
Someone's under the car.
Oh shit. Okay.
Yeah.
It's basically keyless entry.
Yeah, man, there's no key. Just turn it and it'll start.
No one's gonna steal this, dude, trust me.
Push start, but without the push.
Oh shit.
Oh, hell the gas.
Oh, crap!
So what's this for?
What is that?
I don't know, a cigarette lighter?
Oh,
Yeah, it's an outlet.
So it's
Dude, you were turning this
Yeah,
outlet?
It's an outlet.
You were turning an outlet.
This is your horn.
That's
okay.
That's definitely an outlet.
Friends with him.
Dude, this is an extra outlet. Look at this.
How irresponsible is it to test drive it?
I'll go drive it, and you can sit in the passenger seat if you want.
I'm down. I'm down.
That seems like a better plan.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, I'm getting the back. No, this thing's great.
Oh, fucking mints. That's all we needed to see right there.
Well, that it actually rolls.
Yep. If it rolls, it'll get
Was it
home.
neutral? Dude, look, the steering wheel is fine.
Yes, it's just.
It's just a little loose, right?
It's kind of like one of those fidget spinners, you know.
It takes a few pumps and eventually.
Oh boy.
If I knew her well enough, I'd say something, but I won't. It just takes a few pumps. It's cool.
All right, I'm sold.
This is it, Chief, right?
Oh yeah.
Nothing's leaking. Nothing's leaking.
Shut up, Chris. Everything's leaking.
Look at the bushing for the sway bar, Chris. This is supposed to be in here.
All right, Gabe, try all electrical. Both like turn signals.
I'm going in the very back.
Oh,
Your car is going to be the front.
I bet the turn signals don't work.
Oh.
Well, you just put your arm out and you do this.
Yeah, it's legal, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it is as long as you do it right.
This guy's legit, 100%. I really like you, man. Like, you're cool. Like, you're probably one of the best buyers we've ever had. So,
Out of all the cars we've looked at today.
out of all of them, he checks the 20s.
Straight from Monopoly. He's thinking suckers.
Yep. Straight up. Let me go grab a title real quick.
Sounds good.
Does it come back out? Okay.
That's fine.
We get the beer though, right?
It's a piece of American history, Zach.
You're still like going full fucking Senate on the trails? Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Bro, if she doesn't end up in a pond by the end of this week, she's mint. It's only like we have 7 vehicles in the backyard as it is.
We have a graveyard at home.
You can do it whenever you want, or don't ever do it. I don't really care. I don't have a bottle opener, but I bet you could probably open it off the bumper.
I got a lighter. I got you. I'm a master.
I would have done it off the bumper, the fender. Just
Dude, put it in America right now. What are you doing? No, put it in America.
You just kind of get it on this side and just.
Oh, bro, I'm gonna get fucking tetanus from this.
Really? It's chrome, bro. It's fine. There you go. See? Thanks, buddy.
That's the way to do it.
Oh.
Your name's John, right?
I'm James. That's
James?
I think Ian was the dude I bought it from. I never,
Okay.
Oh.
Good to meet you, James.
Yeah, you too, man.
Oh, that's why the plates aren't even right. That's great.
Oh, who knows?
Hey, do you like drifting?
Yeah.
Chris, now's your time.
Uh-oh.
So there is a warranty on it, right?
Yeah. As soon as you open that driver's side door, warranty expires.
So if I go through the window,
That's fine with me. Go ahead.
Dukes of Hazzard.
dude, that's hard.
What are you doing? You gotta get a running start and jump
I wonder if
in.
he's even man enough to try it. Push the hazard it.
Oh, there goes the warranty.
Doors open, dude. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Yeah. Dude, Jesse needs to drive
It
this.
smells hot as a motherfucker. Oh yeah, boys. Yeah.
Yeah, open the hood.
Yeah, dude. All right, where's my hood prop?
I don't know where you put it.
What?
We negotiated the price down to $700, and he provides a bottle of beer for us.
Yeah, just a bottle of beer, huh?
Yeah, just IPA.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys. So yeah, this is our $700 Jeep. I figured we wait until like daylight so you can see this beauty in its full form. And it used to be black, but now it's blue. Like you can literally sit here and peel the paint off. We'll get an up close shot of that. Look at that, guys. Honestly, guys, we've been waiting to get another Jeep on the channel for a very long time, so here we are. And I think it's a perfect candidate to do some fun content with. I guess we'll give you guys a little tour of the shaggin' wagon. Surprisingly, the body's pretty straight. I mean, we got a little love dent right here. Uncle Justin actually took out a dent right here. What are you doing?
I'm gonna suck your dick, baby. Sorry.
Bro.
I'm gonna suck your dick. Since it's Tuesday, I'm only gonna charge you $20. Look at it. Look at it.
Holy crap, he did it! Oh my gosh, let's try it.
Bro.
What?
I am the best dent sucker this side of Tarrant County, baby.
Oh my god. I've actually
Damn.
never tried that. He went.
These tires are pretty bad. I mean, it's got at least 50,000 miles left in them, but we had the front driver's side actually blow out. We come to find out not only were they dry rotted, but they're also filled with Fix-A-Flat.
It has rabies, dude.
It has rabies. Guys, there's the white foam coming out of the tire right now.
I think it's like Coca-Cola.
No, it's fucking Fix-A-Flat.
It's what?
It's Fix-A-Flat.
Really?
Somebody's put Fix-A-Flat in that thing, dude.
Well, that's why.
It's a $700 Jeep.
Look at the other tire.
What is Fix-A-Flat gonna fix this? Or
mean-
this?
It's a $700 Jeep, bud. Guys, that is
even
just, look at
this.
that.
Justin, you've sold cars before, right?
Yeah, look at this.
Right. So the whole purpose is for the tires to hold air. Did it hold air?
The purpose is for them not to be flat.
Did they buy the car?
Well, yeah,
the seller achieved what he wanted. He got $700 and he doesn't have a
he
Jeep
got
anymore.
$700. He's seen y'all's asses coming.
I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's got a lot of potential. We'll show you guys the interior real quick. I don't know why, but this seat is like crooked. It may not have all the bolts in it. I don't really know. So it's got a horn, which obviously, you know, this one didn't work. So instead of fixing it, they put in a switch. I doubt it has a relay or a fuse, but that's okay. Four-wheel drive does work actually, and that was one thing that was slightly sketchy. On the test drive, the guy didn't show us four-wheel drive was working. I kind of just took his word for it. All right, so obviously we gotta get some new tires. That's step number one. The rest is up to you guys. Drop a comment below. What should we do? We could lift it. We could put massive mud tires on it. We could keep the same tires and flip it. When I say flip, I mean like sell. But if you guys want us to actually roll it, that's cool too. We can figure that out. Yeah, drop a comment what you guys think below. And fucking hair, dude. Oh, side note, obviously, you know, everyone's going through this quarantine. We had a mobile barber come to the office, which we gotta show you guys the new office, but obviously you can't go and get your hair cut right now. So we called a friend of Acuna's to come out and cut our hair. We'll end this episode with that clip because he's funny as shit. All right, so we got Kato the barber. What's up, Kato?
What's up? Hey man, what's happening, man? Mr. Belly on his back. Live in the flesh.
That look good on him. He's had that hairstyle forever.
Oh man.
Just not bald.
Yeah, just not bald. You can take a lot off the sides, but just leave it.
Bitches like bald heads. See my shit round. Like if your shit got some speed bumps in it or something.
I got one solid bump.
That shit look fucked up. And like,